National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Screven County in southeastern Georgia, Bulloch County in southeastern Georgia, Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oliver, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Statesboro, Springfield, Lincoln, Guyton, Brooklet, Newington, Oliver, Register, Egypt, Stilwell, Pinora, Capitolo, Leafield, Kildare, Ebenezer. This warning includes Interstate 16 between mile markers 119 and 138. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so.